This is a fully trimmed centre console armrest lid unit for the Triumph TR4A, TR5, TR250 and TR6 models. This is an aftermarket part that is commonly seen on these cars, any of the TRs that has the handbrake mounted to the centre gearbox tunnel area. So you can get the moulded plastic parts through us or from other wholesalers as well, and we do a retrim kit that allows you to recover this armrest unit in whatever material and colour that you choose from our website, and you can trim it at your end, or alternatively we can do the trimming for you. So the retrim kit is sold as a 3-tier option. You can have everything in vinyl, everything in leather, which is this version here where the surround here and this top armrest here is leather, or a mix of the two where this top armrest bit here will be leather but the surround here will be vinyl. We then fully trim this up for our customer. So this is a full leather black grange version here. It has 2 rows of French seam top stitching going down this front edge here, and then round the back you just have normal seams to trim around there. So that bottom base unit is trimmed completely separately. You unscrew it all here and retrim that there using these as the anchor points here, and then this top part here is retrimmed. It has piping there which we can contrast for you if you wish, which waterfalls down at the front here and tucks in underneath there, underneath that panel that comes on the original piece, and trimmed all the way around. The inside here, this kit here hasn't been retrimmed. It's just the original plastic as it comes originally. The customer didn't want anything doing in there. We are actually developing some patterns to spruce up the inside of there, which will sell as a separate kit if you so please, so keep posted for that. See our website for more details.